Welcome back to another video. So in this video, hey, it's not gonna be a regular video, as you guys can tell by the title. Yeah, it's just a pretty much sad video. So the M4 was giving me a check engine light. It was kind of, I would say, giving me some problems and troubles, because I believe I was driving and then boom, I heard a loud boom, and I was like, you know, that was pretty louder than usual. And then I looked down on my dash and I see a blinking check engine light, and I was like, more money for to be in this car, bro. But hey, I'm not even worried about that because it's not here now. I don't know if it's a faulty, because sometimes it happens to M's, but we're gonna check it out because my friend's about to come over and trying to flash it in, and I'm gonna give y'all some good news or bad news. Finally, I'm off work right now, and let me give you guys a quick cold start of a straight pipe S55, boys. Listen. I don't think this is a cold start, but let's go outside real quick. It's hella windy, I'm not even joking. I'll never ever sell this car. Like, this car is so beautiful. But we're probably gonna go, right now we gotta go home, because you remember, like I said, the check engine light turned on whenever, you know, I was driving, burbling around. I'm gonna go home and probably go change up, probably go to my friend's house trying to get that thing flashed. You know, there's actually not even that bad of traffic right now. I'm trying to just head home as fast as I can because my friend he's headed to college right now. And I'm trying to get my car flashed and, like, I'm just waiting. So I'm just trying to get home as fast as I could so I can, you know, get my car flashed and find out what was going on with it. But right now, it doesn't look like there's a lot of traffic right now. I don't know, it's kind of weird because it usually is all the time out here around 6. Well, I don't know if it's because, bro, I'm not even joking. Do you guys think whenever I say 6 and 6:30, there is a difference? Like, 6 are stacked with traffic, but 6:30 is like an open street almost. You know what I mean? Finally, bro, I'm not even joking. Bro, I was in there for like hours, bro. Oh, brother. Bro, it was a long drive. Like, bro, I literally jinxed myself, and I was like, there's no traffic. All of a sudden, traffic right there, and I was in like a traffic jam for like 20 minutes. Just go home, don't mind the hair, because I was just outside. It's hella, bro, the place I live, it's so windy, like, it's crazy. But look where the M is sitting. I don't know how I managed, because my mom's car was right here. I managed to squeeze, like, from here to like here to back up all the way, and I got it straight, which is crazy. But right now, I'm about to go up and change. And then we're probably, no, my friend's gonna head over here, and then we're gonna figure everything out. I mean, it doesn't feel like there's anything wrong with the car. I mean, it's running normally, so, I mean, you know, but you never know. But I hope there's nothing, you know, because if there is, my wallet's gonna be empty for the next, like, 2 months. But like I said, because I got a lot of stuff, and plus the announcement is gonna be today for the winner for the $100. So yeah, I'll probably catch you guys once I'm changed and my friend's is over, so we can get that shit done. So I'm trying to find out what's wrong with the car, you know. But like I said, like that's my boy in the M3. It's a clean ass build, I'm not even joking. Like, and they also got a single turboed, I think it's single turboed or upgraded turboed 335i, which is kind of crazy. But let's get on track. I'm gonna go change and I'll be back with you guys in a bit. Now we're about to head out. You know, already got, you know, fully on, changed and everything. I'm about to head out. I gotta low-key go to Chase real quick. I got a deposit I have to make, and I don't know why my mom still parks like that, but anyways, we can make it out easy. But like I said, I have a deposit I gotta go. It's a check I gotta deposit of like $50 million. my god, insert that clip real quick. No, but bro, like, I gotta do that deposit real quick. And then my friend should be available so we can flash my car and we can see what's wrong with it. I hope there isn't much. But, bitch, we gotta find out. Okay, we gotta find out. But I don't want to deal with it. But let's hear it closer. Oh, okay. That's it. Oh my god, okay, I keep forgetting. Yeah, so we gotta do that. I'll catch y'all once we're on the way to Chase. Hey, baby. Alright, okay, let's go. Peace out, y'all. No, bro, oh my. All I gotta say, bro, this is actually like, bro, the best car you can get, bro. Respectfully. M4s are so tough, but right now we're about to head inside. And I'm trying to cash in my check so I can get, you know, the parts for the car. And yeah, bro, okay, I'm excited for that. But hold on, give me a second. Let me just try to deposit it, and then I'll catch you guys once I'm done with deposit. And then I can reveal who won, or I might give out another day. I still don't know, but hey, it's gonna go crazy, and let's get it. We're gonna go harder than ever with this YouTube shit, and let's get it, boys. We're gonna go inside right now. It takes the longest out of everything, but we already got everything deposited in. But yeah, we got the deposit in. Yes, sir. Man, this shit gonna be empty by tomorrow. Man, this shit gonna be empty by tomorrow, bro. This shit got me in debt, man. Bro, not gonna lie, bro, the camera died on me. I just deposited my check. Bro, the camera died on me and it kind of fucking sucks, but... Oh, I low-key should have charged it. Oh my god, I'm actually so mad, bro. Bro, low-key, bro, I should have charged it before, like, let me check, make sure everything's perfect. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, bro, I should have charged it before, like... So mad, bro. I was recording, then battery exhausted. That's not what I wanted to hear. I wanted to hear batteries not exhausted, the opposite part of exhausted. That's I know that sounded way bad. Like, you guys probably think I was gonna say something else, but I swear to God I wasn't. Please don't cancel me. I wanna become a YouTuber, please. No, but right now we should be headed over to my friend's house, or he should. Oh, we gotta go hit the shop real quick. Yeah, shop. Yeah, once we're done with the shop, for surely we're gonna do some quick. This is good. Oh yeah, once I hit the shop, we're gonna go some crazy shit. I'm about to go home, then we're just gonna, you know, my friend's gonna come over and touch the car. I literally can't wait, bro. I can't wait. I wanna find out what was wrong with it and what was wrong with everything. Cause I'm not gonna be comfortable until I know if my pockets are gonna be good or bad. If my pockets are good, then we're good. If the pockets are bad, then we're cooked. Yeah, guys. So right now we're about to head to the shop real quick, and then we're gonna go right home. And so I kind of did forget to pick up the camera to tell you guys what happened when we flashed the car. But hey, all I'm gonna say, my pockets ain't gonna be broke, boy. My pockets are good. It turned out, I probably accidentally pressed the map option. Because every time you press, because this one's for the valves, and this one is for, the map settings, you know what I mean? And I think I pressed it, and every time you press it, it pops up the check engine light. So I think that's what happened, because whenever we searched it up, there was no codes. It was just a tire code, and that's like hella easy to replace. So I'll probably do that. But honestly, like, bro, thank God nothing was wrong with the car. Because not gonna lie, I would have been pissed. Because I just got cashed out yesterday. And hey, we gonna get new parts. We gonna go and get new parts, baby. And make sure you guys stay tuned to that. But I'm gonna get you guys a quick cold start real quick after work. This low-key looks tough. Hold on, let me see where I can put you guys. Right here? I think, yeah, that should be good. Just like that. Oh, that looks perfect. So like I said, y'all, so we got everything figured out. Thank God nothing happened to the car. You know, we're good. Pocket's gonna be full, not empty. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing. You know what I mean? But bro, not gonna lie, the stars are plugging right now. Look at the imagine, bro. The night ride to be crazy in this. But anyways, y'all, It's your boy Dexter. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. And I'm out, y'all.